sunlight, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ninjas, welcome back to my channel. It's the first time here. I'm K Trisha. Please do not forget to subscribe and join the K Trisha family and be doll or a ninja. Today it is Thursday and I'm going to run errands. I'm going firstly to Planet Nails to get some few stuff. I hope that I'll only spend 250, not more than that, because Planet Nails, guys, is like clicks and discounts, so I hope I'll only spend that amount, and then I'll go to picknpay just to get some few stuff, and then I'll be back. Then later I'll do my mom's nails. Yeah, that's it. And then I'll also show you what I got. So yeah, I hope that you will enjoy this video. Make sure that you do subscribe. I hope that you're good. I'm finally back and I got this few products from Planet Nails. Guess how much I spent? I was supposed to spend like 250 only, but now I spend I think 550. Where's the slip? Oh my gosh, like why? Where's my bag? Like, why did I spend so much? Yo, 551 rand. That's a lot. For me, it's a lot, honestly. For few items. Yo, but I am happy, but I still want more. One thing about Planet is like when you get in, you see everything there, and I wanted everything, okay? But unfortunately, I couldn't. So I already did my mom's nails, so I've used this filer today. So I got this filer. It's so good. I need to get more. Okay, I've already used it right now. Just finished doing my mom's nails. Then I got this acrylic in the shade hot pink. How much was this? I think 5 rands. And I got this elastic bond, 120. This small thing, guys, 120 rands. It's elastic UV gel. And then I got these tips for 35 rands. And then the lady that is working there, she advised me that I should buy those sculpting things. Tips takes a lot of times. Like, yeah, white people, honestly, most of them, they don't use tips. And I also got this nail cutter for 40 rands. I'll bring on like that. And I got another monomer for 110. Yeah, I wanted the bigger one, but I didn't have enough cash. Oh, because this thing I'm always going there to buy, but I think it's better to buy the bigger one. So on my next purchase, I need to buy the bigger one. And I got this acrylic, so I did my mom's nails and with this color, so that's why it is like this, because I was opening it. So it was 95 rands in the shade berry. So this is how it looks, but the thing is, it changes after you apply it. Like, it changes, it's more darker, sort of like maybe. And I got this cuticle oil, okay, within one dry hand, so for 24 rands. And I got this. Oh, this one is my favorite. I got this Monomer acrylic for 35 rands. I love it. I really love it. She's so beautiful. Oh god, yo, she's so beautiful. Now I want to change these nails. Okay, I want new nails. I'm looking at my wish. Yeah. And my favorite, also got these glitters for 34 rands. Oh, they're so beautiful. They're so beautiful. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Yeah, I need to get more. I still need to get more powders, more gel. So I need to buy Blink Girl products. So yeah, the gels, I need her gels, I need all stuff. Okay, but the plan is to until kuzohlangana, guys. And then yeah, when I'm finally perfect, now I'm good. I want to be perfect, and then I will take clients. I want to be perfect. I think I'm a bit of a perfectionist. I want to be perfect. Okay? I believe that something that you can do with your hands must be perfect, because life is not perfect. So anything that you do with your hands must be perfect. Okay? So I will see you tomorrow, guys. I think I will end my video here. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay? I even removed my earrings because he's late. I'm so annoyed. Oh, Bafana Shem. So this guy told me I must get ready. He's coming. He didn't come. Abraham, I'm so annoyed. I'm so annoyed. I'm so annoyed. You know this guy? I gave him clear directions. He failed to deliver the stuff exactly on my gate. So I had to walk a little bit, but I'm so annoyed about that. And now I'm stressing because now this box feels so empty. Now I'm panicking. I'm buying an item that feels so light. Let us open, okay? Let's do that. What is this? Like, I don't remember. I just don't remember. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Like my items like were 480 something, so they said I must add like an item that costs 20 rand so that I can get a free delivery. So and I added this bag, but it's not like I need it. I added it because I wanted like to get a free delivery. I didn't want to pay the 60 rands. Oh, now it makes sense. I was so worried. Is it recording? I was so worried, but I don't think I will use it. I think maybe my daughter will use it. I don't know, but it's cute, but I'm not going to use it. Oh, now I feel better. Oh. Now we are unboxing the bigger box, okay? Ooh. I hope that I won't be disappointed. I hope she. Yo, disappointed. They must not disappoint me. It's getting worse because right now I just unboxed this package and my camera was not recording, and there's also one item that is not here, so now I have to unbox again for you guys. I have to put this package again so that I can unbox. Okay. I'm worried. I'm panicking. I'm only seeing one item in this box, and I ordered 2 items. What's happening? And the item that I like, that I need most, is not here. Only one item. Okay, guys, let me show you my pocket. Oh, she looks so pretty. Oh. Okay, I got myself a nail training hand. Okay, this is how she looks like. Oh. Okay, let us open her. Okay, but now I'm panicking. Where is my nail driller? I ordered a nail driller, but it's not here, guys. Yeah. So I'm going to use this. This is going to be my best friend. Let us name her. Let us call her Doll. Hello, Doll. Hello, Dolls. Let me open her. Manusapis. Okay, we have this white nail clippers or whatever. Okay, and there she is. Ooh. So this is the stand, okay? I cannot wait. Oh, she's so flexible. So I can just like, okay. Yeah. So I'm going to practice here. Like I'm going to improve my skill, you know, and practice all the trends, the no trends. We are coming. We're coming. I'm not here to play. Baba. Never give up. Yeah, never give up. So okay, I love that I can just do that, and then it was so easy for my application. And I love that the tips are so small, they're not big like those videos on YouTube I will see. So yeah, I'm happy with this, but I'm worried about my natural. So yeah, just called the delivery guy and he said that it is not his fault, so it means that my item is still coming, they'll deliver it. But I thought I was going to get all the items today, so I hope, now I'm crossing my fingers that I will get my nail jeweler because I need it. I need it. It's so important. I need it. So now I'm thinking, should I end this vlog today? Because next week I'm not doing anything, and if I have to wait for nail jeweler, I won't be able to edit and post this video today. So now I'm thinking, so but yeah, right now let me go and eat. You know, I'm stressed. My baby is sick. She has a rash. Rash is very underrated. She has that rash that has on her feet. It's watery. It's like it has whitish things, like it's so bad.